A bite of history, brownies. Just the word evokes a feeling of warmth and indulgence. These chocolatey squares hold a special place in our hearts and on our dessert plates. But have you ever wondered about the story behind these beloved treats? Let's delve into the history of brownies and explore how a simple dessert became an American icon. From accidental treat to American icon, tracing the origins. The story of the brownie is one of serendipity and culinary creativity, a tale that begins in the heart of a bustling kitchen. The brownie's origin story is a blend of happy accidents and culinary ingenuity. It's a testament to how sometimes the best things in life come from unexpected places and moments. Legend has it that the first brownie was born in the late 19th century in a Chicago hotel kitchen. This was no ordinary kitchen, but one that was part of the prestigious Palmer House Hotel, a symbol of luxury and innovation in its time. A forgetful chef aiming to bake a chocolate cake accidentally omitted the baking powder. This small mistake led to the creation of a dessert that was unlike any other. Instead of a fluffy cake, the result was a dense, rich, and fudgy treat. The result? A dense, fudgy treat that would soon take the world by storm. The brownie quickly became a beloved dessert, cherished for its unique texture and deep chocolate flavor. It was a hit not just in Chicago but across the United States and eventually, the world. Over the years, the brownie has evolved, with countless variations and recipes emerging. From adding nuts and frosting to experimenting with different types of chocolate, the brownie has become a canvas for bakers to express their creativity. Today, the brownie remains a staple in bakeries and homes alike. It's a dessert that brings people together, a symbol of comfort and indulgence. Whether enjoyed with a glass of milk, a scoop of ice cream, or simply on its own, the brownie continues to be a favorite treat for all ages. So next time you bite into a delicious brownie, remember its humble beginnings in a Chicago hotel kitchen. A simple mistake that turned into a timeless classic, proving that sometimes the sweetest things in life come from the most unexpected places. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. The brownie's rise to fame, a century of sweet success. From its humble beginnings, the brownie quickly gained popularity. Recipes began appearing in cookbooks, spreading the love of this chocolatey treat far and wide. Over the decades, the brownie has evolved, with countless variations emerging to tantalize taste buds. From cakey to fudgy, from classic to gourmet, there's a brownie out there for everyone. How AI is transforming the brownie business. Now, in the 21st century, the brownie industry is on the cusp of another revolution, this time driven by artificial intelligence. This technological advancement is not just a fleeting trend, but a significant shift that is reshaping the entire landscape of baking. From the way ingredients are sourced to the final presentation of the product, AI is making its mark in every step of the process. AI is changing how brownies are made, sold, and even enjoyed. Imagine walking into a bakery where the recipes are fine-tuned by machine learning algorithms to ensure the perfect balance of flavors and textures. These algorithms analyze customer feedback and ingredient interactions to create the ultimate brownie experience. From optimizing recipes to personalizing orders, AI is revolutionizing the way we think about baking. Bakers can now use digital tablets to adjust ingredient ratios in real time, ensuring consistency and quality in every batch. This level of precision was unimaginable just a few years ago. AI is adding a new layer of innovation to this beloved treat. Personalized packaging is another exciting development. Imagine receiving a box of brownies with your name or a special message printed on it, all thanks to AI-driven customization. Quality control has also reached new heights, with AI systems meticulously checking each brownie for imperfections, ensuring that only the best products reach the customers. Let's explore how AI is transforming the brownie industry from the inside out. From the initial mixing of ingredients to the final packaging, AI is involved in every step, making the process more efficient and the product more delightful. Join us as we delve deeper into this fascinating intersection of technology and tradition, and discover how the future of brownies is being baked today. One of the most exciting applications of AI in the brownie industry is personalization. Imagine ordering a batch of brownies tailored precisely to your preferences. AI algorithms can analyze your past orders, dietary restrictions, and taste preferences to create your perfect brownie. Want it extra fudgy with a hint of sea salt? No problem. AI makes it possible. AI is also making its way into the heart of brownie production. Smart ovens equipped with AI can monitor baking time and temperature with precision, ensuring consistent results every time. In automated bakeries, robots guided by AI can handle tasks like mixing, pouring, and decorating, increasing efficiency and reducing waste. Beyond the baking process, AI is proving to be an invaluable tool for business decisions. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including sales trends, customer feedback, and ingredient costs. This data-driven insight allows businesses to make informed decisions about production, marketing, and even new product development. AI can predict which brownie flavors will be the next big hit, helping bakeries stay ahead of the curve. As consumers become increasingly conscious of their environmental impact, the brownie industry is seeking sustainable solutions. AI can help bakeries reduce their ecological footprint by optimizing ingredient usage, minimizing waste, and even identifying eco-friendly packaging options. AI-powered systems can also track energy consumption, helping bakeries reduce their carbon footprint. The impact of AI extends beyond the kitchen and into the customer experience. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, and even process orders. Imagine ordering brownies through a chatbot that remembers your favorite flavors and suggests new ones based on your preferences. Looking ahead, the future of the brownie industry is brimming with exciting possibilities thanks to AI. We can expect even more personalized experiences, hyper-efficient production processes, and innovative new brownie creations. Perhaps one day, we'll even have AI-powered home baking assistants that guide us through creating gourmet brownies with ease. From its accidental beginnings in the late 19th century, when a baker mistakenly left out baking powder from a chocolate cake recipe, the brownie was born. This serendipitous error led to the creation of a dense, fudgy treat that quickly captured the hearts of dessert lovers everywhere. Fast forward to today, and the brownie has evolved into a symbol of both comfort and innovation. With the advent of high-tech equipment and automation, bakeries can now produce brownies on a scale never imagined before. Robotic arms and industrial machines ensure consistency and quality in every batch. The variety of brownies available today is astounding. From classic chocolate to exotic flavors like matcha and salted caramel, there's a brownie for every palate. Bakers are constantly experimenting with new ingredients and techniques to push the boundaries of this beloved dessert. As AI continues to evolve, it is making its mark on the culinary world, including the brownie industry. AI-driven tools can analyze consumer preferences, predict trends, and even assist in creating new recipes. This technology is helping chefs and bakers innovate like never before. The integration of AI and automation in brownie production is revolutionizing the industry. From mixing ingredients to baking and packaging, every step can be optimized for efficiency and quality. This not only ensures a superior product, but also allows for greater creativity and experimentation. The future of brownies is not just about mass production, it's also about elevating the art of brownie making. Gourmet brownies with intricate decorations and unique presentations are becoming increasingly popular. Chefs are using advanced tools and techniques to create visually stunning and delicious treats. Brownies have always been a treat to be shared and enjoyed with loved ones. Whether it's a family gathering, a friendly get-together, or a solo indulgence, brownies bring joy and comfort. The evolving brownie industry ensures that this timeless treat continues to bring people together. So the next time you savor a brownie, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating journey it has taken. From a happy accident in a 19th century kitchen to a high-tech, AI-driven industry, the brownie has come a long way. The history of brownies is a testament to human creativity and innovation. Each era has added its own twist to this classic dessert, making it richer and more diverse. The timeline of brownie development is a fascinating story of culinary evolution. As you enjoy your next brownie, remember the countless bakers and innovators who have contributed to its journey. Each bite is a celebration of their hard work and creativity. The brownie on your plate is the result of years of experimentation and passion. The future of brownies is bright, with endless possibilities for new flavors, textures, and presentations. Innovative packaging and futuristic designs are making brownies more appealing and accessible than ever before. And it's only getting sweeter. With each new advancement, the brownie continues to evolve, delighting our taste buds and sparking our imaginations. The journey of the brownie is far from over, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.